check out my spot. What a find, eh? I'm really impressed with this place. Came out for a wander to try and find myself a little camp. What a lovely little spot underneath this big old beech. Look at that. People are going to say, don't camp under a beech tree. And you're probably right, but it doesn't look like it's going anywhere. I'm going to take the risk tonight. There's no wind at all, so should be fine. But yeah, I'm just digging out a little fire pit for this evening, and I'm really looking forward to this one. It's been a lovely day. It's been beautiful actually. So I'm going to get all my stuff set up. I'm going to have a little fire tonight. I'm going to have a little fire outside. There's an old dry stone wall just here behind me, and I'm not going to take that apart, by the way. I'm not going to touch that, but on the other side there are a number of stones that have fallen out of it, so I'm going to use those and I'll put them back afterwards. But yeah, I've just dug out the ground, as you can see the start of there in the background, so I can build myself a nice little fire pit. And I've got a piece of wood in my pocket, which I started making a little spatula. It's one of the things I don't have in my kit is a spatula, so I started carving one 6 months ago probably, and I decided, although it's dried out completely now and it's going to be tough going, I'm going to try and get that finished tonight and give me something to do. Yeah, food later on. Got some gammon. I'm going to do gammon egg and chips. That's what I'm going to try on the fire. So that'll be interesting to see how that comes out. An English classic, although very annoyingly I forgot the mustard, so it's a bit of a brr. But yeah, no, that should be interesting. But right, I'm going to get you set up somewhere. I'm going to finish off getting set up. I've got all my stuff in. I've got a slightly different setup. Obviously I'm ground dwelling tonight. I've left the hammock at home, and I've also got this beast. So this is a homemade shelter. It's made out of oilskin. I made it myself about a year ago, and it is a copy of I think it's a Dutch company, but I like the design, so I had a go at it. This was supposed to be the sample. I did some cheap material, give it a go, see how it came out, and it came out so well I've actually used it a number of times since, so I probably will rebuild it at some point, but it's good, isn't it? Check it out. Egg. I'll whack those chips back in there for a second. Lost one. Gammon. I'm going to call that a success. Look at that. gammon, egg and chips. Right, let's crack on with this. Oh, that's good. Really nice. Well, I'm chuffed with that. Oh no, that's a chip. 5-second rule and all that. Right, I'm going to dig in. So that's it now. It's about 10:30. Had some food about an hour ago, and yeah, it was very nice actually. Turned out really well. I've just been sat here listening to the owls for the past hour, I guess. I'm going to get myself tucked away, up early, and yeah, I'll show you around camp in the morning. I'll show you a setup. A slightly different setup this evening, obviously, because no hammock. So anyway, night night. Good morning, wild camping community. Should have some kind of secret handshake or gang sign. Oh no, I'm not sure I should be saying that. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. So it's early doors. It is early doors. It's 6:30 in the morning. As you can see, the sun is just starting to come up. It hasn't quite gone over the horizon yet. Some nice big hills over there, so it comes up a little bit later here, but we're kind of in the shadow of it. But I had an okay night's sleep. I don't sleep as well on the ground. I am definitely more of a hammock lover, I've got to say. But yeah, it was alright. It was fine. I've got a busy day today, so I have got to get gone fairly soon. I've already got my coffee, already done. I'm going to drink that. It's all gone and tidied away. It's like a ton of water being chucked on that to make sure everything is gone last night, and then again this morning. It's all been mixed up, and then leaves have been put back. So that's it. I'm out of here now. I'm all packed away. Everyone have a lovely day, a lovely week, a lovely month, a lovely year. Look after yourselves. Thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Yeah. See you next time.